Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. It is Wednesday, the 18th of December. It's 8:30 Central European, so 7:30 UK. Um, yeah, like I said, welcome back to the channel. Please, can we? Oh, there we go. We just activated someone there. Yeah, please like and subscribe, and let's grow the channel, and let's try and help as many people as we can during this current bullish move in the crypto space. So let's analyze from top to bottom. So monthly looking good, still looking good on the monthly, but we printed that sell on the weekly. So when we print that sell on the weekly, we're kind of looking to get out at any position that's higher. So we needed to be trailing this quite aggressively. If we were trailing this quite aggressively, we would have looking more at being out yesterday because then we dropped through these 14s and the percentile bands median. So we're currently a sell. So weekly is a sell, daily is a sell, grinding higher in price, isn't it? But we just finding divergence on this indicator and also the divergence over here on the 1 day is quite aggressive. So for me, we do look like we're gearing up for a larger pullback in the crypto space. Then over here to the lower time frames, the 1 hour has been a sell since 1 o'clock yesterday. And it's been a significant move in the grand scale of things. Yeah, it's a good few percent, 2 to 3% move because we've pulled back. But the 1 hour is a sell, 4 hours is a sell from 1 a.m. this morning. And then the 8 hour also looks like it's rolling over. So it's where can price be supported in these areas where we can get going again. Don't really want to look too low down. This is the 1 hour bump, bump, bump. That's a higher push. This one's quite a strong sell off. And then we've got this like push on the 1 hour where it kept making lower lows on the indicator. And then that's why we've got the power candles there. So even getting out on that first power candle, tech would have seen you, yeah, 2.7, a maximum of what? 3.2. Yeah, so 3% on the short side, isn't it? Right now, looking very volatile, aren't we? It looks like there's quite a lot of buying and selling going on, fear and panic, all the rest of it, and people seeing buying opportunities. So this is what's going on. When we come to the mid time frames, it's not looking amazing. Yesterday, as everyone knows, this is like the system for identifying where we should be. So I can just see one that stood out there is maybe XLM. But I've been doing this, I've been coding this. Let's get rid of that. I've been coding an indicator which tells me if we're bullish or bearish on whip trend, sorry, on relative price. And then if we're higher than the candle before, so once it starts making a move, so on the 5 minute, for example, it closes in 4 minutes, we're actually in a higher position. So what we mean by that is if we come over here to Bitcoin, so we're on the 1 second chart here. But if we went to the 5 minute, for example, if we go to the 5 minute, you see this is dropped now because it's not higher than it was. So a minute ago, this was higher than the close there. So the close there is lower. So it's on the bullish side, but it's not super bullish. Like for example, from there to there, you would have had a lime green. And then from there to there, you would have also had a lime green. So if we're looking at BNB, for example, which is still there, let's have a look at that. Oh, yeah, BNB. So that BNB USDT, Binance. Yep. So if we look there, you can see that this moment in time from there to there, it's higher. So this is why we're getting this green. And where are we looking at here? Include the chart symbol. Yeah, take that off. So I'm going to be able to do this for everything, and we're going to be able to see, if the 4 hours bullish. So at the moment, we're not looking good on anything. When all these higher time frames here are showing bearish, that's when we need to be as careful as we can, really. Yes, okay. So let's go back to the blue chips. So where's the strength? The strength looks to be more in, Aave and Link. But then again, these are grinding for this divergence, aren't they? So Link is in a current sell position. The whole market here. So this is the weekly, and the daily is flipped into a sell today. So yesterday it was okay. Right now it's in a sell. So if you go and sell now, this still has the opportunity to go up and down, and then close bullish. So this is one thing we just have to be careful of. Right now it's a sell. 8:38, 7:38 in the UK. So Bitcoin is rolling over. Um, it's pushing there, yeah. So Ethereum, um, mixed bag. Litecoin. I was looking at Litecoin yesterday, because it had good strength on the real lower time frames, and I was watching how the indicators performed, and it was quite nice actually. Um, over here, so BNB looks like it's good, doesn't it? Apart from BNB as sell itself, it's going to outperform other things. So let's keep an eye on that one. XRP is currently a buy, but flicking maybe into a sell soon, so we'll keep an eye on that. Underperforming ADA, underperform Neo, underperform in VChain. Looking like we're turning into a buy and then maybe an outperform on XLM. Quant underperform, Band underperform. Link has turned into a sell, but not very aggressive one for me. So keep an eye on that. Solana, mixed bag, underperform on AVAX, near underperform. Comp, underperform, Atom underperform, Ave underperform, but those are the ones we had strength, isn't it? Link and Ave, so we need to keep an eye on those. Dropping down to the 4 hour. Where have we seen the strength there? So that's why I saw that yesterday. Yeah. So XRP, XLM, Litecoin. Litecoin's now flipping into a sell, isn't it? There, we can just see that. So yeah, the crypto market doesn't look very good, does it? On the 4 hour, and also the daily were a sell. On the 4 hour, we're still a sell. So we don't really want to be buying anything. It is more a case of sit on your hands at the moment. Might be able to identify something you can get a couple of percent on. But still, you are best to just sit on your hands. BNB, mixed bag. XRP underperform. ADA underperform. Neo underperform. VChain underperform. XLM underperform. Quant, mixed bag but underperform. Band could start getting a push on and outperform some. And the same for Litecoin. I mean, for Link, sorry, she is flicking into sell itself, but she could straighten out and go for it. Ave looks good on the 4 hour, and she's turning into a buy over here. So that strength on the daily might be just something that pulls that around and gives it some legs. Um, what else? Yeah. So Atom mixed comp looks like it's turning into an outperform. Near no, Avax no, and Solana no. So not a lot on this side, to be honest with you guys. Let's see if we've got anything that could be positive in the movers. So everything's bearish apart from Sui. We're turning into a sell on the daily, so let's individually attack each one of these. So fetch no, render no, um, inge no, cas no, tau no, sui turning into a sell. But that could push up during the day because of the little bit of strength there. We'll watch that. And because some of these coins, when they start to perform, that's where people will start putting some of their money. GRT rolling into a sell. GRT and then comp again and then dot. Yep. Pepe rolling into, well, Pepe rolling. Pepe is a sell. Doge turning into a sell and mixed. Shib is a sell and mixed. Floki is a sell and mixed. And then movers for the 4 hour. Yeah, everything is a sell again. Yeah, sit on your hands. If anything, fetch looks like it's turning into a buy, but there's too much strength to the downside there for me. We don't really want to be jumping into anything like that unless we see some kind of change intact. What else? Hmm. Yeah, Brenda, mixed bag. Inge underperform. Cass might get going. We'll see about that, and I might outperform. Tau looks like it might outperform on the 4 hour for at least a short period of time. Sui looks like an underperformer. PolyX mixed. GRT mixed. Comp outperform. Dot underperform. Pepe no. No mixed, no mixed, no mixed. Yes, everything looks pretty grim there. Guys, I really can't see anything exciting. And just back to this, so like on the 1 minute and 5 minute, we'll look like we're having a push on some things, and that would make sense. The 5 minute there is going. It is 8:43 where we push in there. Yeah, it's just a bounce, isn't it? Um, mhm. Yeah, okay, guys. It is more of a sit on your hands day, to be honest with you. Um, yeah, please like and subscribe. Any questions, drop them in our YouTube or comments or in our Discord. And yeah, yeah, drop them in our Discord, please. Yeah, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm around today. I'm on the charts basically all day, playing with indicators and trying to figure out how to get the best data to you guys. But yeah, any questions, ask, please. Join in the community, join our Discord, all the rest of it. Okay, guys, ciao for now. See you in the next one.